Very, very beautiful. I'm going to dip my hands in now. Oven grill, nicely done. Hello everyone, welcome to African Note Food. I hope everybody is well. So today we have momone for you guys. Momone is fermented fish. So we have our fish here, clean and everything. So what we are going to do, we are going to wrap this and leave it somewhere for about 6 to 7 days, and then we'll come back and show you. Okay, so let's go ahead. Wrap it as many as you can. All right. Okay, so this is the first one. This is nicely wrapped. We're going to do the second one. This is for these are the cling film one. Now I have carrier bag here. Any carrier bag that you have in your house, you just put it in, wrap it, tie it. Another one. If you have a lot of bags in your house, make sure you use them, because this one is not going outside, it's going inside, it's staying inside. So it needs to be properly covered because you don't want any funny smell in your house. That's the third one. Okay, so in total we have about 10 bags. We have wrapped our our momone fermented fish in. So we are going to leave this in our kitchen for 7 days, 7 good days. Okay, all right, so we'll see you then. So okay, our momone is here. We are taking the plastic bags out and wrap it to see how the kobe is. Oh my goodness, this smell is something else. Oh my gosh. Oh la 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 la. Okay, so let's see. What we're going to do, we're going to put our salt in it again and cover it and leave it for another 5 days, 5 to 6 days. All right, so that's the salt. Use Coles salt. Anyway, you can use any salt of your choice, but the Coles one lasts longer. All right, so make sure you put salt everywhere. And make sure you rub it, you turn it and rub it at the back as well. Okay, everywhere. Rub it everywhere. And once you finish, you tie it back again the same way we did at the first video, and you put it back somewhere cool, not in your fridge, in the kitchen. Okay, or if you have a garage, you can leave in your garage as well. And I will not advise you to leave this in your garden because the cats you will see it the next day because the smell is wonderful. All right, okay, so we're going to cover this now. Okay, so these are going back again here. Make sure that there's enough salt. And I'm going to wrap this. Wrap it really well because the smell is too much. have my bag here, my carrier bag is going in there. Tied it. Oh my god, make sure you wear gloves because this is something else, right? Second one. Okay, second one. Okay, finish. This is how it looks like. Okay, I have wrapped it really well. The smell is not going anywhere. It will not escape. So I'm going to leave this for another 6 days, and then I will show you. See you then. So the momone is ready. It has been in the salt for about a week, 8 days in total, and then we left it before 6 days, and this one 8 days, so in total will be 14 days. Yeah, 2 weeks, and the smell is overwhelming. The smell is something else. How our momone look like? Look at this, beautiful. Look at this. Oh my goodness, the smell is beautiful. Ooh, nice. So we're going to cut this into small pieces and we'll keep it in the freezer. Each time you want one to use for your stew, your soup, whatever, you just take one and then use it. Okay, so we're going to cut them and show you. So there you have it. Your momone is done. Look at this. I'm going to make okra stew and put one of these inside. Okay, and it'll go well as well. So thank you for coming. Try and make your own. Hope to see you again, and like and share and subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Thanks for coming. We'll see you soon. Bye.